Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to run over to Goodwill and see what I could find. So I found a ton of things. I'm here with my daughter and my dog and I'm going to show you what I found. So the first thing I found a lot of kids stuff as usual. So I found this brand new Usborne book, and it's origami animals. It's never been used. It retails for $14.99, and I think I got it for 79 cents. So inside, if you know anything about the Usborne books, they're absolutely beautiful. I love purchasing them, and to find one brand new at Goodwill, I was, so surprised. So inside it comes with a little book, and it's a step-by-step guide on how to make different origami animals. And inside it comes with a pack of 75 sheets of origami paper. And it looks pretty close, like they're all there. So I thought this was really, really a great find. The next thing I found was I absolutely love these drying racks, and they are so expensive at like Target or wherever else they sell them. But these are the Boone drying racks, and I absolutely love these. So if I ever find them and they're in good condition, I scoop them up. And this one I paid $2.50 for, and it looks like new. So I was really, really happy to find this one, especially because this one is the nice long one, and it's narrow, and it's not the big boxy one that takes up so much space on our counters. Are you saying? Yeah. The next item I found for my daughter, it doesn't have batteries, but I'm hoping that it works, is the VTech, and this is the alphabet. It's got a lot of really cool games. It looks like an apple, and she can play all sorts of little games here, and she can select obviously the alphabet, and it does different things. So I thought this was a really good find, and this one was only 55 cents. So I hope for 55 cents it actually works. Most of the stuff I find at Goodwill surprisingly works. You bumped your head? Are you okay? Yeah. Alright, so the next thing I found was an adorable pair of little Crocs. These are actually Airwalks, and I just thought they were so cute because they're like a little rainbow marble color. So these are a little big for my daughter now, but again, these I think were 99 cents, and they look like they're in pretty good condition. So I've picked those up. I picked up this Hearts DuraPlay medium bone for my dog. It's pink and he's a boy, but that's okay. It was only 55 cents, and supposedly it's bacon scented, and it's supposed to, be extra durable for tough gnawing. So we'll see. But I thought that was cute, so I picked that up for him. Actually, let me see if I can get it out. I'm sure he'd like this now. Look, he's already coming over. Say hi, Todd. Let's see. I need to hold it. Ooh, extra squeaky. Ready? Oh, you're a good boy. All right, go play. I want the bone. Yeah, I want the bone. This was a random purchase, not because I liked the design, but I liked the style of this candle, candlestick, because I have a DIY coming up. I bought one at Dollar Tree, and I'm just not liking it. It doesn't really go with our style, so I liked this one. It was a little more contemporary, and I think this will suit the project that I'm going to be doing much better. So I'm going to be spray painting this along with a jar and something else on top. So hopefully this will work out. The next thing I found, which I thought was so cool, I've never seen this. I love picking up like unique, kind of like educational type toys for my daughter. And they had a couple of these, so I want to say that they may have come from like a school or something like that. But I knew exactly what it did as soon as I saw it. I didn't want to take it apart because there's a lot of pieces. So I don't think there's a name on this, but this was, I think this was 69 cents. So anyway, it is basically a kind of complex puzzle, and it's got all of these different elements that they need to stack up by size. So if you take these off, then you have this interior one, and again, it kind of does the same thing. So I just thought these were really cool, and I thought that this would challenge my daughter. So I'm excited to see her, work on this and attempt to play with it. So I thought that that was a pretty good deal. The next thing, I think this is the last thing I found. Oh no, there's still more. This is obviously for the bath, and I remember seeing these. Who makes this? This is Nubby, and this was 55 cents. So if you buy this in the store, I think it's got little rings on it and other little characters that go with it. But she always loves like new bath toys, so I decided to scoop this up for her. And what I like about this one is that it doesn't have like a hole or anything in the bottom, so it doesn't fill with water and get all nasty. So I decided to pick that up for 55 cents. She really likes it, so we'll clean that up and that will go in the bath. The next set of items I got for her was 99 cents, and I think this was actually 50% off. So you get this entire tub full of the beads. It does not come with the string, but I have shoelaces that I've purchased from the Dollar Tree, and that will work just fine. And this is going to teach her how to string beads onto the lace. They're all different sizes. The holes are all different sizes in the different beads. So, it gets a little more complex. So I thought this would be really good for our Tot School activities. So yeah, for 50 cents, can't go wrong there. And I had to pick this up just because I thought this was so funny. It was 66 cents, and it's called Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. So let me open this so you can really get a good idea of what this looks like. But I just thought this was too cute. And my microwave needs some cleaning, so baby, hold on. I'm gonna open it.
I'm going to open it first.
Can you open it for me? Do you need my help? Hold it, take it. All right. Can you hold that up? So this is what it looks like. It's got little holes in the top, and I think, yeah, you fill it with like vinegar and water or something, and then you screw it back on, and you put it in the microwave, and she's basically supposed to like clean your microwave. But I thought that was too cute. Here, hold it up, baby. Show it to the camera. See? So I just had to get it just because I thought it was so funny.
I'm just get the lid off.
You gonna take the lid off?
Yeah. We'll fill up water on it.
You wanna fill it with water? Okay, we'll fill it in a little bit. Here.
I'm gonna fill it now.
Here, go put some stuff in there.
Fill
So the last items I got that I could...
I want to put water.
How do we ask?
Please.
Okay, go in the kitchen. I'll be right there. So the last items I was able to find was I needed some side tables for our guest room, but I didn't want to spend a ton of money. So they were having 25% off all of their furniture, and these were only $12. So I paid around $9 for both of them, and I plan on refinishing them and painting them white and probably changing the hardware. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, check me out at The Fledgling Mom. You'll keep up with my family, my DIY projects. Hopefully these will be up there soon, as well as my Tot School and preschool at home with my daughter. So that is everything, you guys. It was actually like a really great haul, and I think I spent around $28. So that's crazy. That was a lot of stuff for $28. You did great job. Don't spill it. 2 hands. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you know when all of my new videos are posted. Follow me on Instagram, like and comment. I absolutely love hearing from you all, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.